Look at how they package them so beautifully.
Well, you had me from the start.
I have 6 to review with you guys.
By the way you stared, the way you wrote up for me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to be in love.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. It has been a while I review contact lenses in this channel. Yes, you guys know I love contact lenses. I love my contact because it takes me from 0 degree to 100. The contact lenses I will be working with today is from ICOICE. It came in this cute box. I can't wait to review these contact lenses with you guys because when I saw them, I was like, wow, they look so beautiful. And the colors I pick are so gorgeous. You will rock them for the spring, you will rock them for summer, you will rock them anytime you want to rock them. So they came in this cute package here. This is my first time of ordering from this company. When you open it like this, you guys can see, let me zoom a little backward. There is a card on it, how to remove your contact lenses. Everything is on this little booklet you're seeing here. I like that. Look at this at the back, how to apply them with an applicator, everything, and how to care for them. Guys, I really love the way ICOICE organized everything, that they added two applicator and 6 cases to it. I'm so grateful because these cases, they are very important. With all these cases, you can store your contact lenses. You guys know when it comes to contact lenses, oh, I don't play with it. I'm in love. Okay, I'm in love, you guys know that. And also, I don't know what's in this pack. You can see they added some little pack. Let me see, open to see what's inside. Oh wow, this is so great. See this mini box. I don't know what's inside here. Let's bring it out and see. It's so cute. Okay, wow, this is a storage. Okay, you have to store your contact lenses here each time you remove them. This is the first time I'm seeing this kind of stuff, and this is so cute. This is so cute. I really love this. Wow, it has 2 sides, 1, 2, which means you can keep 2. You keep one here, you keep one here. Ah, that's so nice. See where you can store your contact lenses after use. They added 6, you see, because I ordered 6 contact lenses. They added 6 storage, which is so good. All right guys, I don't want to waste time. Let me just pop in these contact lenses for you guys to see. Let's see how they are going to look, because when I saw them on the website, I was like, wow, I need to get this. So ICOICE, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate. I appreciate, thank you. The direct link to each size I'm going to wear today, it will be on the description box, so just check that. And also, if you don't like any of these, I guarantee you they have millions on their website, so you can just go to their website and pick any one of your choice that you want, any of your choice. Okay, just go there. So let's head into this video. Guys, there's something I find interesting about this that I want to share with you guys. You see, when you want to open, when you check here, you see it's written open here. You see this? So you just lift this up. You see, you lift this and you drag it this way like this, and it will just open. So I like the fact that they indicate where to open. You don't struggle look for where you will open it. So guys, this is it on. You can see this is my natural eyeball because I have this dark eyeball, and this is the contact lenses. This one is powdering rose. It's written on the case here, and you can see it. And this one is the style is pixel gray. You can see it on my eyeball. See the difference with my eyeball. Okay, and I like the charm this one gave to you. This one give you that kind of sexy charm. Okay, you see the difference? See, I really like this. So let me wear the other one for you guys to see. So guys, you can see the 2 on. This is the 2 on. If you see it, normally it's like gray, but I don't know, as I'm seeing it here, it looks more like little blue added to it, but it's gray, you understand? And I so much love this. Guys, look at this one. This one is Genshin Mu Blue. You can see the blue. Look at my eyeball. This is really gorgeous. I like the blue. Do you guys know when I picked this color, I was kind of, am I going to like it? But with the way I'm saying it, it's so beautiful. You can see my eyeball, the difference. See, the blue is so charming as well. And one thing I will say about this contact as well, they are very, very easy to apply. It's not like some contact lenses. When you apply them, you will see that they don't stick to your eyeball easily. You battle with them, but this one, they just stick to your eyeball. You guys saw what I did right now. I like that about them. It's as if they magnet your eyeball. See this one, the two on. It's lovely. I like it. So guys, look at this one. This one is Genshin Blue. The other one is Genshin Mu Blue. Why this one is Genshin Blue? You see the blue is different. It's not as dark like that other one that I wore. This one a little bit light. I like all this contact because I always say contact will transform you, will transform your eyes, okay, will transform your look from 0 to 100. You see this is the two on. What do you think? I really like it. I like it so much. I like that blue that blue sexy eyes that it gave me is lovely. It's great, great, great. And one thing I like about all these contact as well, you see very clearly with them. They are not inching, okay? It's as if I'm not wearing anything. I like that. Fabulous, if I do say so myself. Guys, this one is pixel brown. You see it in my eyeball. Has this yellow undertone. You guys can see yellowish undertone, or is it gold? Look, gold or yellow. What do you guys think about this one? So I think this is not my favorite anyway. It's not, but it's still okay. You can rock it. So this is it two on. You see it? It's still okay, but it's not my favorite anyway. When I saw it on the website, I like it, but right here, you guys should let me know what you think about this one on the comment section. I don't so much love this color. It's kind of golden, a bit yellow. I don't know how to put it. At the close range. So guys, this one is Russian blue. You can see my eyes are red now. The way I'm removing them, putting another one, removing it, irritating my eyes. So this one is Russian blue. See, it's like I took so many blues. So many blue. I like this blue. Wow, this one is showing is it ocean blue? Although they said it's Russian blue. Yeah, Russian blue. I love it. I love it. I think the blue, they complement me more. I think so. Take it two on. I really love this one. I think I prefer the blue. The blue, they complement my, I don't know, is it my complexion? This is great. Look at it too. I love this. I really like this. I like the shine it gives me. This makes my eyes look very, very sexy, shiny, bright. Give me that lion vibe. It's great. I like it. Guys, this is the last one. I told you guys that I took so many blues because I love blue. This one is Topazio Blue. Is it how it's pronounced? Topazio Blue. I'm going to write the name here, the style here, so that you pronounce it yourself. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Topazio Blue. See, I love the blue. I love it. You can see my eyeball. See this. I really love the blue. See, See the difference. Look at it from far distance. See, it's lovely. I really love all the blue. They look so different. Okay, they are not the same thing. And you can see this one. This one has this. Let me see. This kind of blue, gray, kind of inside it. Don't know if you guys can see what I'm saying. See, it's lovely. I like this. So all the lenses from ICOICE are so beautiful. I love them, especially the blues. I love them. It's only one that I don't really like. I did not feel the vibe of that one, but the rest are fabulous. I really love the charm. I love the way they make my eyes look sexy. Just look at this one. So guys, that is it for the review of these contact lenses from ICOICE. I'm going to leave the link to each of the styles I wore on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Like I said, I love them. They are very bright and they are very easy to apply, and they just stick to your eyeball. The magnet is not difficult at all, not like some contact lenses you struggle to apply them. These ones are very, very easy. I like the charm. I like everything about them, from the packaging to the contact lenses. Mwah! They are so sweet. So if you don't like these ones, you can go to their website. I will leave the direct link to their website also on the description box, because they have millions, they have many there. I really like them. And another thing also I noticed, they are not heavy, they are very, very light. It's transparent. I think that is why they easily magnet to your eyeball, and I think that is also the reason why they are so bright. The vision is so bright. So that is it, gorgeous. Thank you so much. If you like it here, why not subscribe? Hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.